Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. $15.86 or $17.54. Can DOT traders expect to see demand in the next week? Disclaimer. The findings of this analysis are the sole opinions of the writer and should not be considered investment advice. In the hours prior to the time of writing, Bitcoin rallied sharply from $34.8K to $39K, but was unable to breach this resistance level, despite pushing as far north as $39.8K. Following in its footsteps, Polkadot also saw a relief rally from the local lows of $14.2 and was trading at $16.08 during press time. However, the market structure remained bearish for Polkadot in the near term. Hence, shorting opportunities may present themselves, while a session close above $17.54 could present a shift in bias toward bullish. The short-term range that DOT was trading within about 2 weeks ago, orange, did not hold, and the range lows were flipped from support to resistance a week ago. Since then, DOT has registered a series of lower highs and lower lows on the charts. Moreover, the price has tested the $16.6 $17.4 area multiple times to try and break above, but sellers have remained strong. This suggested that DOT's move upward from $14.2 was likely only a move in search of liquidity before its next leg downward. The Fibonacci retracement levels based on DOT's move from $23.19 to $15.8 presented the 27.2% and 61.8% extension levels at $13.79 and $11.23. Also, the $15.86 has acted as support in the past few hours. The RSI rose above neutral 50, while the Awesome Oscillator also surged above the zero line in the past few hours. This was in response to DOT's nearly 15% gains in just over 12 hours. The OBV also saw a spike upward, but the downtrend on the OBV made it clear that selling volume has been dominant in recent weeks. Conclusion: the indicators showed some response to the recent bounce for DOT, but the market structure remained bearish. A move to the $17.2 area could present a shorting opportunity. Similarly, if the price falls below $15.86 once again, entering short positions on DOT may be considered, targeting the $13.79 Fibonacci extension level. On the other hand, if DOT managed to reclaim $17.54 over the next few days, the possibility of a shift in momentum from bearish to bullish would arise. Next news: Russian central bank ramps up United States dollar's exchange rate as ruble run worries mount. Russia's central bank is desperately trying to avoid a run on the fiat ruble in response to incoming sanctions measures from the EU, the United States, and their allies. And as the Ukraine crisis deepens, the bank has unleashed yet more extreme measures, which may eventually include freezing citizens' foreign exchange funds. For the Russian state-run media outlet TASS, the bank has ramped up exchange rates on the United States dollars by almost 7 rubles, around United States dollars 0.08, with euro exchange rates also hiked by almost 0.8%. The same report noted that the Moscow Exchange's index of leading shares had plummeted by almost a third on yesterday's figures. Trading has since been suspended on the exchange after hitting limits below which it refuses to operate. The dollar and the euro have been trading on forex markets at record highs, TASS added. However, the central bank's headaches may just have begun. As reported, Bitcoin, BTC, and stablecoin buying, registered with the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, as a crypto asset business, has teamed up with Gunmarket to make the transactions possible. And last news today: Ukraine government is using crypto aid to purchase critical supplies. The Ukrainian government is purchasing critical supplies including petrol, food and military equipment, using cryptocurrencies donated as the country stands against a Russian invasion. Around $10 million has already been spent. The donations are being distributed from the government's digital wallets, set up by Kyiv-based crypto exchange Kuna, to other digital wallets before being spent, blockchain data show. By Monday morning, around $6.5 million worth of Ether had been moved out of a government wallet to the exchange. We are evacuating people, so we are sending money to buy petrol, to buy food and water for the people who are evacuating. We are sending some money to the local military personnel who can buy some supplies, locally Kuna founder Michael Chibanian told CoinDesk. The government is also buying drones, heat vision goggles and petrol, he said. CoinDesk has been tracking the inflow of more than $16 million of cryptocurrencies into 3 digital wallets associated with Ukraine's defense against the Russian invasion. One wallet, set up by a local non-profit, had raised over $7 million in Bitcoin at publication time. The 2 others, one Bitcoin and another Ether, set up by Kuno on behalf of the Ukrainian government on Friday, had raised more than $8 million in total by Sunday. Jabanian shared a report on his Twitter account on Monday showing the total crypto support for the government of Ukraine through a variety of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins has surpassed $12 million. Elliptic, which helps track transactions on blockchains, said Monday that government and non-governmental organizations had reached $20 million. The funds were collected as Russia closed in on Ukraine's capital, Kyiv. On Saturday, Western nations agreed to imposing tougher financial sanctions on Russia, well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot End 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.